Hi guys, here 15 minus 3 power 2 is 9 times 2 plus 8. Here 15 minus 9 is 6 times 2 plus 8. Here 6 times 2 is 12 plus 8. Here 12 plus 8 is 20 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 20 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation to solve this problem in correct way. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is a exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, A stands for subtraction. Here multiplication, division both are equal priority. Also this addition, subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the higher priorities bracket, we don't have the bracket in this problem. Next priorities, the exponent. We have the exponent here is 3 power 2. So we have to do this 3 power 2 before this operation here. 15 minus 3 power 2 is 9 times 2 plus 8. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have only multiplication. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. So 15 minus 9 times 2 is 18 plus 8. Here we have subtraction and addition. Here both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right. Here left to right is this 15 minus 18. Here 15 minus 18 is negative 3 plus 8. Here negative 3 plus 8 is 5 is the correct answer.